Hi everyone, myself Priyanka. I have 7 years of experience in IT from three different companies. Welcome to ETL Testing Virtual Classes. This course is for the people who are struggling to get placed into IT for various reasons. Consider you are the one, you have some career gap and you wanted to get into IT, and another guy, he is a non-technical guy and he wanted to get into IT, and another person, he is not good at programming. We all wanted to get into IT, and you are at the right place. This is the easiest way to get into IT without any programming knowledge. Our course provides you following contents. We'll start from basic SQL and move to complex SQL. Once the SQL is done, we'll be dealing with data warehousing concepts. And then we'll go for Informatica tool that is required for ETL testing. Then we'll be dealing with manual testing concepts. Without manual testing concepts, we can't do ETL testing. So we'll be explaining the concepts that are required for ETL testing. And then we'll move for agile methodology explanation. This is the methodology where today's companies, mostly 99% of today's companies are following this methodology for getting their projects done. Once the methodology is done, we are going for one test management tool, that is Jira. Then we'll be dealing with Unix commands that are required for ETL testing. Then we'll be explaining you two real-time projects. Then we'll be sharing you some knowledge of Python. We'll be sharing the basic knowledge of Python. And then apart from the regular classes, we'll be having daily GD sessions. Here we have one morning batch and one evening batch. A morning batch student will be having his GD in the evening, and vice versa happens. A evening batch student will be having his GD in the morning. Like you can have, like in the morning session, you are from a regular batch morning student, you have listened our course and you found it, you have understood everything, but while practicing the situation was different. You have a number of doubts that can be clarified immediately in the GD sessions. Here doubts are clarified on the immediate basis, no need of waiting here. Like we have done with the entire syllabus here, then we'll be conducting your mocks. Once your SQL is done, we'll be taking mock for SQL, we'll be telling areas of improvement, and we'll be telling the way to present ourselves in an interview. Once SQL mock is done, we'll be taking mock for remaining things. Apart from the project, we'll be taking one separate mock for the project. Like that, here we are taking sequence of mock interviews. Will tune you to the way that interviewer expects you to give an interview. Once you have given all the interviews, we have prepared you the way to attend the interview. And then we'll be discussing some set of interview questions and answers. Like this ETL testing, this course has some standard questions that won't vary. That will be discussing only to the persons who have cleared all those things, who have the ability to crack interview. Once all the above things are done, we'll provide you resume building assistance. Once the resume is built, we'll give you assistance for updation of your profile into the Naukri. Once your profile is been updated into the Naukri, you have got a call and you have cracked the job. Then you have got a job, a project in your job, but you are not able to manage the things. But the guys who are very serious about this course and practiced all the SQL things, they can manage the things. But there will be some worst cases where you can't manage the things. Then you can come back to us and say, like, we couldn't manage the things, this is the situation happened to us. Then we'll provide you job support also. These are all the things what our course is going to provide you. If you have any queries about our course, you can reach us on the following numbers available on the screen. For joining into our group, please do reach us on the numbers available, and thank you.